Hey, how you doing? This is Joseph Graham. This video is for John. This is a custom video just for you, bud. I'm going to show you how to generate organic traffic by yourself, or employ anybody you want to do this. Okay, all this stuff is free, and if you utilize what I'm going to show you, you're going to see a big difference for your business. Okay, I mean it's simple. When people are looking for a product or a service, they do one of two things, Jonathan. First thing they might do, if my house is starting to get cracks in the walls and they're shifting and all kinds of crap going on, I'm going to ask, hey, do you know anyone that does foundation repair? Oh, yeah, you need to go and call Titan Foundation Repair, right? Get a hold of Jonathan. Tell him Timmy sent you. Okay, that's a word of mouth referral, right, John? Word of mouth. And that's how most businesses have thrived for years. Okay? Other than that, people get on their phone and then they will search for the service that they're looking for. Right? And when they do this, they are going to be provided with the most authoritative results. Therefore, I'm going to show you the MCMs. More calls, more sales. 100% free. If you have someone watch this video and implement what I'm saying. Okay? First things first, optimizing your GMB. This is your GMB listing right here. Right? There's information inside of this map listing that needs to get filled out. So it just says you're a foundation contractor in Sherwood. I would bet that you don't have the counties. You can list up to 20 locations. So the best practice would be to list the counties that you serve inside of your GMB in the informations tab. The counties that you serve, right? You guys do waterproofing. You do basement waterproofing. Also list the cities, right? And then when it comes to categories, like business categories, you have foundation. This is your primary category right here. You can add waterproofing company as your secondary category, right? So optimizing this as much as you can, adding the products, adding the services, adding descriptions. Google gave this to us. They want us to use it, right? And this thing right here can make you a lot of money. It can really help your business thrive. Reason being, I mean, you're like on the north part, like almost downtown by, you're really close to Denver. You're damn near in Denver. It's like all Denver. It's just a neighborhood. So these businesses listed in these map listings, they get 70% of the traffic, right? We have built tools on just seeing where our map listings show up in which part of the city. Like we want to know, because this thing is a game changer for businesses. There's businesses that have lost their GMBs and business has went down just because it was that crucial. It was bringing in that many calls, right? So this is the map pack, and this is why optimizing yours is going to be a benefit for you in the near future. Okay? Content is the words on your website, right? You don't have any service pages. I mean, I like the texture in the background. It's awesome. But there's a few things. So again, like, I'm not a salesperson. I'm a customer acquisition specialist. Like, I'm a market analyst. What I do is a lot of research. Like, we don't duplicate, or we don't reinvent the wheel. We just see what works. Okay? And we model success. Meaning, like, if Amazon does something, like, let's try that out. They're spending millions of dollars doing something and testing something out. Well, maybe I should try that too. So you see up here on your phone number, if someone was on a cell phone, they wouldn't be able to just click this. People have very short attention spans, and they're not going to sit and dial this number, right? This needs to be click to call. If I click on this number, anytime your number is listed, you want to be click to call. Even this. Your email will link me somewhere, but your phone number don't. Right? Your Facebook icon will take me somewhere, but your phone number doesn't. Right? Authority. We're still talking about content. Let me just type in beer. Alright. So when we type in beer, Wikipedia pops up first for a good reason. Right? Because they have the most authoritative and relevant content on the subject matter of beer. Right? So it's no different for businesses and business services. When I looked up just basic Google foundation repair in Denver, house leveling is the first in the map listings. Well, you look at their website, look how authoritative their site is. They have a page with lots of content on all of their services. So this is why they could be ranking for crawl space foundation repair in Denver. This is why they can rank for epoxy injections in Denver, because they're trying to become the Wikipedia and the authority with authoritative content. All right. Then you have something called citations. Anytime your business is listed on Facebook, on Yelp, on Yellow Pages, that platform is going to be citing your business, your business name. They're citing your business address and the business phone number. Name, address, phone number. There are hundreds of places to get these citations, not just the major Facebooks and the BBB and the Home Advisors. There's hundreds of places to get these, right? All we're doing is just seeing what our competitors are doing and then doing a little bit more. And then backlinks. Backlinks is the fuel that pushes all of this stuff on the internet to the front page. So here's a quick example. Here's a quick glimpse at your backlink profile. You have a 0/10. And just to give you an idea of this, we're going to look at one of the most popular sites in this country, and that's Google. You see how they're 100/99, right? This is yours, and this is the top guy that house leveling. But you see how they have like 1,700 links, and you have 11 links. They have more votes. They have a more authoritative website. They have a more optimized GMB. They got more reviews, right? They're probably making posts on their GMB. You see what I'm saying? All this stuff is free. You just got to utilize it. Okay? So I hope this helps. Wish you guys much success. Thanks for watching.